Hey y'all, I am out here today. I'm going to be cleaning the chicken water rain barrel thing that we have. I have a video out there, I want to say 2021, that shows how we made this rain barrel water for our chickens. We haven't been getting a lot of rain lately. We normally get about 52 inches a year and we're behind. So it's time for me to supplement it with water from the well. And before I do that, I want to get it clean before I put fresh water in here. So let me show you what I'm doing and show you how easy it is to keep this clean. There's my three new broiler chickens who aren't used to me yet. Here's the rain barrel. Here's the pan. It's held on with a giant rubber band that you can get on Amazon. You can see it catches most of the debris from the tree that it's under. We can put it through a hole in the hardware cloth here if we need to keep the chickens locked up, but normally it's just right here. So I'm going to take the rubber band off. You can see the various levels of sort of algae, I guess. That yellow looks like pollen. What's built up in here over the last several months. We haven't cleaned this out in probably a year. You guarding the water, lady? Sorry. I'm going to dump this pan out because it needs to be cleaned. And I'm going to disconnect it right here, just like you would a water hose. This is going to take two hands, so I'm going to put the camera down and disconnect it real quick. I'm just going to let the water drain out of it, and when it's done draining out, I'm going to clean it. I could just dump it over, but there's several gallons of water in here and it's still a little heavy, so I'm just going to let it drain out there. Then I'll be back. So the water has drained out. No more water in here, and now it's time to clean it. All I'm going to do is use some Dawn dish soap and a scrubber and scrub it out. Go. In less than 5 minutes, I have cleaned it out, and now I'm going to rinse it. I'm also going to take the pan, give it a good cleaning. Realistically, if you've ever been on a farm or ranch, they don't take this much time to clean the troughs. This is just a personal preference. You have to make sure you get all the soap out. Chickens don't want to be drinking soapy water. There's a lip here. I don't know if you can see it right here. where water comes under and things can get trapped under there, leaves, bugs. So you gotta rinse that out. No. It really wasn't that much algae considering it's been a year. Okay. Now I'm going to fill it back up with some clean water. Once it's full, I will put the netting back on. Is it perfect? No, but it is a lot cleaner than it was. On the netting, you can see the debris on it. I'm just going to hose this down. It takes about 20 minutes to fill it all the way up because of our well pressure, water pressure from our well. So I'm going to go inside and start dinner while this fills up. You guys all hanging out by the chicken water? Like people at the office hanging out by the water. And it is full. I'm going to turn the water hose off. Y'all ready to go to bed? Alright, so I'm going to put the bands back on and then get back into the house and finish up my dinner. That's how easy it is. Not at all difficult. And unlike those little cup gadget things you see online all the time, these don't break, they don't stop up. The chickens have an endless supply of water. When we get rain, it's going to fill it back up. I shouldn't even have to fill it back up again as long as we get rain. Unless Tommy's secretly coming out here and filling it up, I don't. This is by far the best chicken water we have ever had, and the easiest, the cleanest. So we still stand by this. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe.